What's good, my fellow viewers and my fellow demons? This is JeanOtaku91 here to do yet another reaction video. Now today, I'm going to be reacting to a YTP video called Tourette's Guy Finds a Beehive in His Ass. What a very funny title for a YTP video, and this is by CS188. So without further ado, folks, let's just get into the reaction in 3, 2, 1, start.
Is that a Mickey Mouse t-shirt?
Yes! Tonight, Unsolved Mysteries! I caught the code 19!
Oh, no! They had to reference that kind of joke. It's not funny.
Where's my mask?
Danny, what do you want for breakfast? What?
Oh, fuck you, dear!
What?
Oh, that's...
Oh, Toto! Africa. I love that song.
Don't talk shit about Toto!
Oh, yeah, don't talk shit about
He
Toto.
used to be a chef on TV.
I want to touch his dick!
This is already funny.
Holy shit! Where's Al?
Owls?
Go here!
Tourette's Guy is getting thrown with owls.
Shit fight. I love my grandma Janelle, sweetest person to our world. And God bless her. 93 years old, you know they were Fuck you! Fuck the phone! I sting!
I sting?
Not the bees! Not the bees!
Not the bees!
Sting! Oh, sting! 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 Sting!
Oh, Bob Saget!
Uh-huh. Are you serious?
Oh, don't you just hate that?
I'll kick you in the...
Don't you just hate that, guys? Does it always happen to you in your computers?
I love you. Why don't you eat my ass? Or cock? We're gonna fuck her one.
Oh, no.
Oh, big gay. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Yeah! Where's my pants? About 10 minutes ago. Guy tried to break in my ass. I was in the car taking a shit. I want a biggie, and give me some ass to drink. Holy shit! Ah! Asshole! Sorry. Call.
Well, that's what the game is.
W. As in, where's the paper towel? P. As in, that's not Puerto Rican. C. As in, fucking taking a shit. B. As in, bitch. P. As in, sperm. G. God damn it, these fish sticks are hard as tits. J. As in, Josh. Eat my shit. I'd like to squeeze my ass. Go. Who the hell is Rick ass? Holy the fuck. What is this shit?
Oh.
Kiss my ass.
Oh my god, that was really funny. Oh my god, I was dying out there, folks. Whew. I couldn't even breathe.
Shit, what?
Alright. Wow, that was a really hilarious YTP video of Tourette's Guy I ever seen. And if any of you guys are fans to Tourette's Guy and one of those kind of videos of watching Tourette's Guy having Tourette's syndrome and all that and always gets so pissy and all that and swears a lot, oh man, you don't know what you're missing. And I can't believe this is the first time I actually watched one of these videos that is a YTP of one of those famous internet icons. But man, I was almost dying laughter. I mean, I was losing air in my lungs. I am not even kidding. But yeah, that was a very fun video I reacted to. So Anyways, that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy the video, give it a thumbs down. And if you have any suggestions of what I should react to next, I'll leave a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified for more future videos. And until then, folks, stay tuned!
So why you want to make you